Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 16 minus 6 is equal to 10. Then again 16 minus 6 is equal to also 10. Now 10 multiply 10 is equal to 100. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parenthesis, then second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay, so is equal to 16 minus 6. Now solve this parenthesis. 16 minus 6 is equal to 10. Okay, so multiply 10. Now here is subtraction and here is multiplication. According to PEMDAS rule, multiplication is first priority, then we have to solve subtraction. Okay, so 16 minus, now 10 multiply 6 is equal to 60. Okay, so now 16 minus 60 is equal to minus 44. Okay, so the correct answer is minus 44. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.